Demonstrative pronouns in German point to specific nouns like this and that. They change based on the gender and number of the noun they refer to. Let's learn about them. Here are the masculine demonstrative pronouns. This or that is diese, that jene. As you can see, that can be either diese or jene. The difference is diese is the more common form while jene is more formal and is used less frequently in everyday speech. For example, dieser Mann, this or that man. Jene Berg, that mountain. Both man and Berg are masculine, that is why we use the form diese and jene. Let's go now with the feminine demonstrative pronouns. This or that is diese, that is jene. In feminine demonstrative pronouns, the pronouns end in e. For example, diese Frau, this or that woman. Jene Blume, that flower. Frau and Blume are feminine, so the demonstrative pronouns end with e, which are diese and jene. Neuter demonstrative pronouns end with s. This or that is dieses, that is jenes. For example, dieses Kind, this or that child. Jenes Haus, that house. Kind and house are both neuter, so our demonstrative pronouns end with s. The same as feminine demonstrative pronouns, in plural demonstrative pronouns also end with e. This or those, diese, those, jene. For example, diese Leute, these people, jene Bücher, those books. This is the summary of the demonstrative pronouns. This or that, diese for masculine, diese for feminine, dieses for neuter, diese for plural. That, jene for masculine, jene for feminine, jenes for neuter, plural, jene. And that's how demonstrative pronouns function in German. Remember to match the gender and number of the noun you're pointing to.